So today I'm going to be doing my July favorites haul, so let's jump into it. One of the first things I got towards the beginning of July, because I was going on a trip with some friends, was these really cute little goggles, and I got them from Five Below. I like that they have fake sprinkles along the top. I thought that was really cute. The first pair that I was looking at to get, they actually had little cat ears, and they were like pastel pink and purple, but they were too small for my head when I tried them on, so I ended up getting these instead, and they work really well. They are anti-fog. I wish they were anti-scratch, but overall they worked really well, and they're really cute. Something else I got was this little pink ring light. I also got this from Five Below. It has 3 different modes. That just looks crazy with my camera. Ugh. And basically I got it because sometimes when I do these videos, having a little bit of extra lighting here, something like that, can help if it happens to be a rainy or a dark day. So something else that I got goes right into my aesthetic because I absolutely love horses, unicorns, ponies, My Little Pony, everything pony related basically. And I saw this and I had to get it. I know it's just from the Dollar Tree, but I thought it was really cute, so I grabbed it. Adds to my cute collection. I was waiting for this to go on sale. I've actually wanted it for quite a while, and it finally went on clearance at Target, so I went ahead and snagged it. And it's for my Instax Mini. It's a glitter case. So now, as opposed to the case I had before, which was all white, and it had the flip top, this one is glittery and completely clear, so you can see all the cute stickers I put on it, which is awesome. I wanted something where I could see all the cute stickers I put on it, but also something that protected it. I really love it. I'm really glad that I got it. The next thing I got was this bath bomb. It is Celestial Coconut, and I got it from Victoria's Secret. They actually had these on sale for, I think, like $3.95. Normally they're $6.95, which is the typical price I seem to see for bath bombs. But it smells really good. It actually smells like one of their perfumes that they have there. And it's got little chunks of glitter in it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like little chunks of glitter in it. And I'm hoping that when I put it in the water, it actually turns the water glittery. Something I just picked up yesterday when I was at the Dollar Tree, because let me tell you, the Dollar Tree sometimes has some very cute stuff. Not often, but sometimes. I picked up was these, and I got them just to wear casually with my cute wardrobe. Not anything to wear with Lolita, just because I don't really have anything with strawberries on it. But look how cute that is. They're pastel mint, and they have little strawberries on them. Yeah, they're really, really cute. They're little, just knee-high socks. And I thought they're really cute. I say cute a lot. I say that everything is really cute a lot. Something else I picked up during the start of July was this little pair of overall shorts. And what I like about them is that they're stretchy, and also they were on clearance, so I couldn't pass that up. And I think I've wanted these for about 3 years now, so this is the pair I got. And what I like to do is I like to take little patches, and I like to safety pin them on the pair of overalls, so that way I can add a little cute retro style to it. In preparation for 2019 was a 2019 calendar. This is Popples. I think they're really cute. I actually don't think I had anything Popples related when I was a kid in the 90s, but the colors and everything kind of reminded me of My Little Pony, and I really love that retro kind of stuff, like cute pastel retro. So I snagged this up because it's so cute. And I don't know what is going on here, what they're sitting in. Maybe they're sitting in themselves. Like, I don't know, they can pull like their skin up around them. It kept reminding me of that one anime, I think it was called Pompoko, with the raccoons. Which, if you know what I'm talking about, it's kind of, then this would be kind of gross, but it's cute. It's really cute. You can take a look at their little dumb, cute faces. So yeah, I picked that up. It kind of goes with everything else that I got in my Pastel haul. My favorite item of this month is this item that I got from Hot Topic. My boyfriend actually was nice enough to help me get it. And basically it is this really cute, this little pastel skirt with little heart pockets on the front. I really like the shade of rainbow that it is. It goes very much with like the pony on my shirt sort of deal. So I really wanted this. And it was, I think I managed to get it on sale for like 26 bucks or so. That's not too bad. I did notice when I put it on, it sits at my hips, and I don't really like that it sits at my hips. It looks like that's how it's supposed to sit, because when I looked on the website, that's where it sits on the girl. But to me personally, I really like high-waisted skirts, so I'm going to actually tailor the waist just a little bit, like take it in by an inch or so it sits right on my waist, as opposed to sitting on my hips, because I just think it looks more flattering that way. So that's the only thing about the skirt that I'm gonna have to do. And finally, my last item is a comic book that I picked up at one of my favorite local comic book shops. And this would be, I guess, my recommended comic of the month. I picked up just a single issue. So this is called Snot Girl. I like this a lot. I believe I read that it's the creators of Scott Pilgrim that worked on this. The art style is just gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Very beautiful pastel. I love take a look at it. I love the fact that it's all about this girl who's just obsessed with social media, and she's kind of a mean girl. Just in these 20 pages that they give you in this little one-off issue that's only $1, by the end of the first issue, you want to read more, you want to see what happens, because, not to spoil anything just for the first issue, but she has basically issues with allergies, which I can relate to. She basically comes up with mean names for people in her head, and that is something that at least I can understand. They're giving her a character flaw, because by the end of the comic or so, I'm sure that she will learn or grow from being initially really mean. At first was a little off-putting. I was like, oh, she's so beautiful, but she's so full of herself, like, which makes sense, because she's like a social media guru, fashion queen, basically, where she's just too obsessed with what people think of her and all that other stuff. But I really found it appealing that the more you read, the more you're like, oh, okay, this is one of those things where it's the setup for her character arc. If you're interested in very cute, very funny, slightly drama-filled sort of comics that have very beautiful art, this one, Snot Girl, is my recommendation for July. So go ahead and check it out. Go to your local comic book shop, go wherever, and go pick it up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I would like to see your July favorites. So let me know in the comments below, do you have any of these items? Did you do a July favorites video? Things like that. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments below, and I will have links to some of these things in the description if you want to know where I picked up some of these items, so you can go get things like the pastel skirt or things like that for yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.